Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Ranjan Bal. In the previous class, we have discussed the construction of DFA for substrings. But in this class, we'll discuss some different types of DFAs. For example, like construction of DFA for ending of a string. For example, ending of a string. For example, design a DFA that accepts all strings ending with 0 0. For the input alphabet input 0, 1. Okay. The steps are completely similar as substring. These steps, step 1 is first identify the minimum length string. Second step is identify the number of states. The third step, simply draw the transition for minimum string. The fourth step, adjust the transition using DFA rule. Okay. What is the meaning of the question? Design a DFA that accepts all strings ending with 0 0. That means, suppose, okay, check 0 1 0, 0 1 0. In this case, 0 0 means every string must end with 0. This string here, the first string end with 1 0. It's not 0, so it is an invalid string. This string ends with 0, so it is a valid string. Okay. Suppose 0 1 0 1. This string end with 0 1. So it is invalid string. 0 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, the string ends with 0, so this one is a valid string. Hope all of you understand what is the meaning of the question. Now we will construct the DFA for this question. Okay, we have to follow these 4 rules. Okay, first identify the minimum length string. The minimum length string is here 0 0. The minimum length string is here 0 0. Second step is first step is done. The second step is identify the number of states. The number of states is here. The number of states equal to minimum length of the string plus 1. What is the minimum length of the string? The minimum length of the string is here 2. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 3 number of states are required for ending with any means numbers. Okay. So the number of states the procedure of number of states or the methods of the number of states for ending is completely equal to the number of states in case of substrings. Okay. We can note down some points. If the string length is n, then the total number of states equal to n plus 1, but it is valid for ending. Just one. Hold on, it is valid for ending DFA. Valid for it is valid for ending. Okay, that means 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, now we'll construct the DFA. Now we'll construct the DFA. What is the minimum string? So there are 3 number of states will be required. The first state is Q0. The second state is Q1. The second state is Q1. The third state is Q3. So Q3 is my final state. Q0 is my initial state. Okay. Now the first state is okay. What is the step 3? Step 3 is simply draw the transition for minimum string. Here minimum string is 0 0. Simply draw the transition for minimum string, means 0 0. What is the step 4? Step 4 is adjust the other transitions according to DFA rule. What is the DFA rule? The DFA rule is each and every state on every inputs exactly one transition should exist. Okay, if any doubt, you can also see some my previous video, previous class, you can also see. Okay, now I'll adjust the number of states. So the input alphabet is here 0 and 1. The input alphabet is here 0 1. So Q0 already reads 0. Q0 already reads 0. Q0 already reads 0. The remaining one is the remaining alphabet is 1. So either I will take what is the how to adjust the transitions. What is the rule? Either stay on the same state, stay on the same state, or go back in the same alphabet. Go back in the same alphabet self loop. Go back in the same alphabet self loop. Okay. Stay in the same state because there is no states in the left side. Since there is no state in the left side, I'll stay here. Means the remaining, this one is 1. Okay. So Q0 reads 0 and 1. Next state is Q1. The next state is Q1. Q1 already reads 0. One is remaining. Okay. 1 is the remaining alphabet is 1. Okay. Now Q1 will read 1. Okay. Either I will take here first check state, stay on the same state. Okay. If I'll stay here, okay, then I'll check this DFA generates, means this DFA will generate some strings. All strings are valid or not. Okay. If I'll stay here, see here, if I'll stay on the same state, this DFA may generate the string like 0 1 0 0 1 0. The DFA may generate the strings like 0 1 0, but the string 0 0 Q0 reads 0, Q0 reads 0, goes to Q1, Q1 reads 1, goes to Q1, Q1 reads 0, goes to Q3. Q3 is the final state. In this string, but the string is accepted by the given DFA, but the string is invalid. Why? Because the string ends with 10. The string ends with 10. So I will stay back. I can't stay here. I can't stay on the same state. Okay. So I back to the state. This is 1. This is 1. Okay. So Q0 reads 0 and 1. Q0 reads 0 and 1. Next, Q3. Q3 will read 0 and 1. Q3 will read 0 and 1. Okay. If first, okay, check for the first one. Okay, check for the first one. Means the first alphabet is 0. If I'll stay here, 0. If I'll stay here, okay, check for some input things. Okay, if I'll stay here, means in the same state, the input alphabets are like this: 0, 0, 0, 0. This state can generate any number of zeros. This state means Q3 generates any number of zeros, like 0, 0, 0, 0, like this. But all strings are valid because every string must end with 0, 0. So 0 will stay on the same state. So 0 will stay on the same state. Okay. Next one is for 1. Next one is for 1. Next one is for 1. Okay. First, I'll check, can I stay in the same state or go back? Okay. Now, suppose I'll write, sorry, I'll use some other color. Now, I'll stay on the same state. Now, I'll stay on the Q3 state. Okay, check if there is any problem or not. Okay. If I'll stay in the final state, the string may generate like this. The string may generate like this. Means, see here, Q0 reads 0, Q0 reads 0, then goes to Q1. Q1 reads 0, goes to Q3. Q3 reads 1, goes to Q3. Q3 reads 0. Okay, that's the then goes to Q3, and Q3 is the final state. Means this string is accepted by the following DFA. So string is accepted by the following DFA, but the string is invalid because the string ends with 1, 0. The string ends with 1, 0. So I will not. So the 1 will not stay. 1 will not stay in Q3 state. Then it will go back. Okay. Then it will go back. Okay. Now I'll go back to Q1. Okay. Then I'll again check. When I'll go back to 1, the string may generate like this: 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This 0, 0, 1, again 0. Okay. Now I'll check. Q0 reads 0. Q0 reads 0, goes to Q1. Q1 reads 0, goes to Q3. Q3 reads 1, goes to Q1. Q1 reads 0, goes to Q3. But Q3 is the final state. But the DFA accepts this string. But the string is invalid string. So 1 will go back to Q0. So 1 will go back to Q0. See? One will go back to Q0. Okay. Okay. So 1 will go back to Q0. Hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask to some comment box. You can ask the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask to the question, the comment box. Okay. Now we'll try to understand some similar type of questions. Now we'll do some similar type of questions. Question 2. Design a DFA. Design a DFA that accepts all strings ending with AB over the input alphabet A, B. Ending with AB over the input alphabet A, B. Okay. So here the minimum string is AB. Here the minimum string is AB. Means we can check some strings. Suppose AB. This string end with AB. So this one is a valid string. AB, AA. This string end with AA. So this is an invalid string. AB, BB. This string ends with BB. It is an invalid string. AB, BA. This string ends with BA. So it is an invalid string. Okay. Now we'll draw. So the minimum string is here. The length of the minimum string is 2. So the total number of states are equal to 2 plus total number of states. Total number of states equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now we'll draw Q0, Q1, Q2. So Q2 is my final state and Q0 is the initial state. Okay. Simply draw the minimum length transitions for minimum length string A and B. Okay. Now we'll adjust the transitions according to DFA rule. Okay, Q0 already reads A. Now I will adjust B here because there is no states in the left side. So by default, I'll adjust B transition on the same state. Okay. Q1 already reads B. Then I will adjust in the same state or go back on the Q0 state. Since Q0, I will adjust A. First, I will check here A. Since Q0 is a B alphabet self loop, so A cannot go to Q0 state. Since Q0 is a self loop of B alphabet, so A cannot go to Q0. So by default, A will stay on the Q1 state. A will stay on the Q1 state. Okay. Q0 already reads A and B. Then Q2. Q2 will read A and B. First we'll check for A. Okay. If I'll just keep A on the same state. If I'll keep A on the same state, means Q2 state, so what is the problem? If I'll stay A on the Q2 state, the string may end with BA. The string may end with BA. Suppose ABA is a string. Q0 reads A, Q0 reads A, goes to Q1, Q1 reads B, goes to Q2, Q2 read A, Q2 read A, goes to Q2 state. So Q2 is a final state and ABA is a string accepted by the given DFA. So, but AB is a invalid string, but the ABA is an invalid string because the string ends with BA. So A cannot stay on the Q2 state. A cannot stay on the Q2 state. Okay. So it will go back. It will go back on the Q1 state because it will go back. Yes, it can back. It can back to Q1 state because Q1 is a self loop of A alphabet. Q1 is a self loop of A alphabet. Next one is the B. Okay, now I'll check. Next one is for B. Can I give B on the Q2 state? No. If I'll give B on this B on Q2 state, the string may end with ABB. Okay, the string may end with ABB. So I can't give B on the Q2 state. B on the Q2 state. Okay. So B cannot go back to Q1 state because Q1 is a self loop of A alphabet. So Q2. So B back to Q0 state because Q0 is a self loop of B alphabet. Clear? Okay. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Okay. Okay. We'll see one more questions. The next question, question 3. Ending with ABA. Ending with ABA. Okay. Okay. Since the minimum string is here 3, so the total number of states are 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So the total number of states are 3 plus 1 equal to 4 number of states. Okay. So now we'll draw Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. Okay. Simply draw the transition for ABA. And this is A. This is B. This is A. This is my Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is the final state. Okay. For the input alphabet is here. The input alphabet is here AB. Okay. Now I'll adjust the remaining transitions according to DFA rule. Q0 already reads A. Now I'll adjust B. Okay. Now I'll adjust B because Q0 B will stay on the same state because there is no state on the back side. There is no state because there is no state on the back side. So Q0 will stay on the same state. Okay. For Q1 already reads B. Q1 already reads B. Then Q1 will read A. Okay. Q1 already read A. Either A will stay on the Q1 state or back to the back state. Okay. Q0 state. Okay. Since Q0 is a self loop of Q0 is a self loop of B alphabet. So A cannot back to Q0 state. So by default, A will stay on Q1 state. By default, it will stay on Q1 state. Okay. Okay. Q0 already reached AB. Q1 already reached AB. Then for Q2, Q2 already reached A. Then Q2 will reach B. Then Q2 will reach B. B will either B will stay on the Q2 state or back to the state First we'll check if B will stay on Q2 state. What is the problem? Okay, now B will stay on the Q2 state. If B will stay on Q2 state, the strings, the DFA may generate this type of valid string. See here, the string must end with ABA, but the string here, the string is end with BBA, so it is an invalid string. Okay, if B will stay on Q2 state, this type of invalid strings will be generated by the given DFA. Okay, so B will go back. B will not stay on Q2 state. Okay, now B will go back. Okay, B cannot go back to Q1 state because Q1 is a self loop of A alphabet. So B directly go back to Q0 state because Q0 is a self loop of B alphabet. Okay, hope all of you understand. Okay, Q2 already reached A and B. Okay, now Q3 state. Okay. Okay, now first I will check for, now we will check for, sorry. Okay, now we'll check for the first alphabet A. Now we'll check for the first alphabet A. Q3, either we'll check for the same state. In suppose if A will stay on Q3, what is the problem? The string may end with, if A will stay on Q3 state, the string may end with ABAA. The string may end with ABAA or ABAAA like this. But all strings are invalid because the string, what is the question? The question with string will end with ABA, but here the string is end with BA. In this question, in this string, the string will end with AAA. So all strings are invalid. So A will go back to the Q2 state. Okay, now we'll check for the Q2 state. Okay, now we'll check for Q2 state. Okay, Q2 state. Okay, if A will go back to Q2 state, okay, check if there is any problem or not. Okay, if A, sorry, if A will back to Q2 state, the string may end with ABAA. The string may end with AA, ABAA, ABAAA like this. But how? Here A, Q0 reads A goes to Q0 reads A goes to Q1, Q1 reads B goes to Q2, Q2 reads A goes to Q3, Q3 reads A goes to Q2. But Q2 is a non-final state. So the string is invalid because the string is invalid because the string ending with BAA. So this A will back to, so this A will back to this A, means Q1 state, because yes, it can back to Q1 state because Q1 is a self loop, because Q1 is a self loop of A alphabet. So that's why A will back to Q1 state. Okay. Now we'll check for B. Okay. Now B will stay on Q3 state. Now B will stay on Q3 state. Okay, check. If B will stay on Q3 state, what is the problem? The string may, the DFA may generate the string like this, AB, AB. The DFA may generate the string like AB, AB. But AB, AB, the string ends with BAB. The string ends with BAB. So the string is invalid. So B will back to the state. So B will back. Okay. Now B will, oh sorry. Now B will back to here. Now B will back to Q2 state. Okay. Now we can also check, can B back to Q2 state? Yes, it can back to Q2 state. But how? Our strings, here the DFA will generate the strings like this: A, B, like A, B, A, B, then A, A, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A. Here the string ends with A, B, A, because the string ends with A, B, again A. So that's why B will back to Q2 states. If it does not satisfy, then it will back to the initial state. Maximum it can back up to initial states. But since it's satisfied in Q2, so B will stay on Q2 state. So B will stay back on Q2 state. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Okay. Okay, in the next class, we'll discuss some different types of DFA. Okay. Thanks for watching.